Hi, everybody. So, if you are here today, you're probably curious about backing up your notes on Notability. We're going to go ahead and start from scratch on mine. I have nothing to back up, but let's go ahead and get it set up so that when I do add my notes, they're all backed up. Take a look at the bottom left-hand corner of your iPad. Notice that there is a cog. Go ahead and select that. This is going to bring up your settings. If you want to back up to Dropbox, Toolbox, Box, WebDAV, etc., it's all there. In this case, I'll be backing up to Google Drive, so go ahead and select that if you need to do that. It'll ask if you want to back this up as PDFs. Go ahead and hit OK to see additional options, and those additional options can be found in the cog under Google Drive. You're going to pick a destination folder. This is the name of the folder that will pop up in your Google Drive account. These are all the ones that I currently have there. I'm going to select the one that's called Notability, and it's going to have a bunch of files in there already because these are files that I've already created. So hit Backup Notability on the bottom of that window. You can also change the format that you would like to save to with your on your Google Drive. There's a lot of different options. Just test them out, see what you like. If you have the PDF plus recording, basically that is the actual document plus whatever voices you add to your notes. PDF is just going to be the notes by itself. It will not include any of your recordings. Anyways, back to that. You can choose which folders or albums you want to have backed up. Say you only want to have your math folder saved, it'll only do that. So select whatever ones you want to back up on your Google Drive account. That's how you back up your items. If you have your question answered right now, go ahead and exit out, and I'll see you later. If not, I'm going to go back to the settings and continue on with that. Other things for the setting is you can manage your account. This can Notability can be linked to Dropbox, Drive-by, Box, and WebDAV. You can also link it to, of course, to iClouds. Another thing you can do is to change the appearance of Notability. If you do not like the white look to Notability, you can change it to a darker one. Let's say it's night and you don't want to bother your significant other by doing work late at night. You can make it nice and dark so they don't notice it as much. If you notice when I press the colorful subjects, instead of having the red and blue bullet points in the bar to your left, notice that they're going to become blocks. So this is just kind of a way of personalizing your Notability setup. Moving forward, documents. This is a way of changing the default notebook paper for your Notability notes. So let's say that your math notes or your whatever it is, let's say you're focusing on math and you want it to always be grid paper and you always want that grid paper to be yellow. So you can select the color and you can select the layout of your paper, and every time you add a note on your Notability, it is going to have that feature or that layout as default. We also can go through typing. You can set the font to however you like. Let's say you love Noteworthy, and you always want Noteworthy to be in blue color from the get-go. You can set it so that it's always going to be like that. There's other features such as left-handed mode. I'm left-handed. Oh well, whatever. There's some timers, and you can add web clips if you want to have a password to restrict those accesses and such. But those are some settings. So as you can see, if I add a note, that color is automatically going to be that yellow grid, and if I go to type, it's automatically going to be the noteworthy text. Anyways, hope you got some information out of this video. If you have any questions, please let me know. You can email me, you can message me, you can find me, but don't be too creepy about it. Anyways, have a good one. I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.